Wait a minute. Is that an axle back?
Oh yeah. This one has a muffler though.
Oh, so third gear. Honestly, that's not bad. Episode 5 of the Subivlog. Nick looks extremely thrilled to be actually doing this. What are we doing today?
You're actually working on the car?
No. I did the brake lines.
Wait a minute. Is that an axle back?
Oh yeah. This one has a muffler though.
Oh, so it's not.
It's not fully explosive.
Would you like to do the intro?
What's up, everybody? This is Brian from Subimods, and this is Nicholas Nazaron, and this is Brendan, and behind the camera is Christopher Wallace.
What are we doing today?
We're doing a fresh oil change on the 2021 Crosstrek. So this is the first oil change that we're doing on it.
And what do we got right here?
Oh yeah, we're also installing this nameless, what is this, a muffler delete?
This is a whole axle back.
It's actually a turbo. No, I'm being
It's an entire air ride system for the car.
nameless axle. It is an axle back.
Yeah.
We're gonna see how this sounds on the bad boy or bad girl, whatever you guys want to call it.
So you heard the man correctly. Today we're doing a fresh oil change, the first oil change on our Crosstrek here. Then we're putting this awesome nameless axle back on it. We're interested to see how this sounds. It does. So are you planning on lifting this up, or are you just gonna go for it?
As of right now, it seems like Subaru did a good job at that.
How much space do you have under there?
About a chest,
Okay.
give or take.
Do you want to pop the jack under there at least, so you have a little bit of extra clearance?
If you insist.
Quite squeak.
Where's the f***ing tow hook? Suspension travel for days.
That should be enough clearance.
Should be enough clearance. So the first step, and one of the things people forget with oil changes, is that you need to ventilate the system before you start draining the oil. If you don't, it's gonna drain very slow, and you'll be here for 20 minutes. All right.
Where's the oil cap? Oh, there it is.
Boop.
What?
Oh, 20. It tells you right here
Oh.
if you ever want to know what kind of oil your Subaru takes.
Are you done? No, I'm waiting for you to get out of my way. Ed?
Okay. Woo! What size did that end up being?
It's a 14. She's toy.
Toy.
Really dumb angle.
It is.
Ta-da!
Wow. Let me find a filter on these boys. Oh, wow, it's right
It's pretty easy on these ones. So we also have an oil filter wrench that, because I have a ton of oil in my hands, I might need.
there. I think we should grab the filter wrench.
This is why those are useful.
Yeah. Got it. That went really smoothly.
It did.
Now you take this bad Larry.
Can't see it that tight.
All right.
It's too big.
Oh, we got too big of one?
Yeah. But it's all right, because I got a backup plan for you in case this ever happens. A really easy way to get grip on an oil filter, something most people have in their homes. Sandpaper. Sandpaper, oil filter. All right. Oh yeah, there you go.
Look at that. Nice. All right. Filter's out.
Oil's
draining?
out.
Oil's out. Shell drain.
Mostly.
I like the blue. Was that a style choice?
No, this is just how they come.
That's about as tight as you need your oil filter to be. You definitely don't need to go ask a bodybuilder to tighten it on for you. It can be that, and that's about that.
What's the importance of a crush washer?
You will lose about a drop of oil every couple of minutes if you don't put one of these in. So also make sure, peel the old one off first. And pop your drain plug back in there. Handy dandy spandy. For those of you who are new to crush washers or new to Subarus, another important thing is that this will feel tight much before it is tight. And you're gonna get a snug feeling, and then you're gonna get a tight feeling, and you wanna wait until you are at the tight feeling. But yeah, just make sure you give the crush washer enough travel to crush. That's all.
All tight under there?
Yeah, she's all tight. Now just make sure to put in the engine sauce, and you are good to go.
Nice.
You're gonna wanna make sure you have one of those things.
Ah, one of those. After doing some research, just how much engine sauce does this thing take?
It looks like about 4.5 of the engine sauce. So 4.5 quarts though. So technically, a liter is 1.05 quarts. So we have just under enough with 4 bottles. So you do need to buy 5, unfortunately. I don't know. Looks pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Make sure to get your vented oil caps on sale today. All right, let's try this again.
Told you. That Bluetooth oil cap. Nice and slowly here, Brendan.
Don't fuck. Oh,
There it is.
nice. Good bit less than half, so we'll give her another.
It's 2.5. She's thirsty. Oh.
All right, guys. So another pro tip: I'm gonna check it now before we turn it on, just to make sure I'm in the right ballpark. But another thing that's usually pretty important with oil changes is to make sure you let the car run for a little bit. By a little bit, I mean like 10 seconds. And you let that oil kind of flow through, and then turn the car back off, recheck your oil, and make sure you're still at the level you should be. So we are right at the high mark. And we are good. So we're gonna give this thing a little fire up, turn her over, and we're gonna double check that. Yeah.
Check it. It's good? Nice. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't be good, but...
Yeah, it's like right about there. So that'll be good. Right in the middle.
Cool.
Nice. All
Oil
right.
change is done.
Oil change is done. Let's make some exhaust change.
Hell yeah. Now, are we gonna try to do the axle back while it's still on the ground, or you want to put it in the air?
I really don't think there's any need to put this in the air. Not
You
gonna
want
lie
to
to you.
just jack it up a little bit?
Jack it up.
Jack it up.
I really don't even know if we need to do that.
Alright,
But
let's see if we can tackle it without a jack.
yeah.
Alright, what'd you find under there?
So 2 bolts, 2 hangers, 1 muffler.
Oh, let me see.
Very simple under here. So
So
2 bolts on 1 flange over here, exhaust hanger here, and that is it.
Should just come right out, huh?
Yep. Oh, I lied. There are 3 exhaust hangers.
3?
There's 2 on this side.
Okay, it's still not that bad. Tunis. We'll keep that. Oh. Gonna be honest, it's kind of hilarious. when Nick said it still had a muffler on there, I was expecting a big old like canister like that's already on there, but that is,
It's adorable.
it's so cute. Look at that thing.
It kind of looks like a didgeridoo.
It kind of does. Can you make a sound out of there?
Works as a decent didgeridoo.
Wow.
Fucking
Cool. Let's get it on.
yeah. All right. First thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and get at least 2 of the hangers off. Make sure to leave 1 so you don't get punched in the head. Just separate you from me. Oh yes.
Nice.
Beautiful.
There you go.
Oh, we're off.
Nice.
At this point, we have 2 bolts, which I've already taken the liberty of giving a quick crack.
What size were those?
These are gonna be, oh wow, that's some high quality paint from Harbor Freight. 14 millimeter.
Quick release paint, Harbor Freight. She ready?
Get this thing out. Let's do it, please.
Nice. Look at that.
Start it up, muffler delete, install.
Actually, we should start it up with no muffler because that is what you do when you do a muffler delete.
Yeah, I mean, duh.
Yeah.
I want to hear it.
Let's do it. Oh man.
Oh, nice.
You know, that doesn't sound that bad. Did it just pop? That doesn't sound that bad. Oh, she spit water.
Alright, today we're going to tell you how to save $200 on buying a nameless axle pack.
Oh my god. You gotta rev it up for Brian.
Are you ready for this? That thing sounds pretty good.
That sounds pretty good.
That sounds pretty good. It's deep.
It sounds good. We should kill it before we, yeah, there we go.
Yeah, before I get it too hot and scorch my hand.
Yeah. It's already wet back there.
Huh?
It's very wet back there.
Oh, damn
It
it.
peed.
Hanger.
Okay, a lot of sparks too.
You're a test pipe.
Yeah, is it already up in the hangers?
Yes, sir.
Wow, that was quick.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's a pipe.
And a gasket.
It does.
What if it shoots flames?
What would you rate the uninstall compared to the reinstall?
Well, I'm going to put the uninstall at about probably a 4. It really wasn't hard. It was just tedious. Versus putting them back on. Very easy, simplistic process.
Hurry up, Brendan. I want to hear it.
I'm trying.
Work faster.
That one is really toy.
Sweet.
See how she sounds.
All right. Yeah, start her up, Brendan. Oh. Okay. Whoa! Did it just pop? Yeah, that sounds really good. Whoa! What the heck was that?
This thing has a rev limiter at $4,000, dude. No!
Do it again. Hit it again. Oh, that's sick. Wow, that sounds actually way better than we were expecting. The nameless axle back on the Crosstrek really helped it sound just a lot sportier. Really gave it that kind of hum, that kind of growl that you expect from a boxer. No rumble or anything, obviously, but let's go take it for a drive. We got to see how it sounds in a load. Hold on, I got to give it my turn on this one. Yeah. Let's see.
Just put it to 4.
Oh, that's sick. Alright, I'm gonna let you man the camera.
Okay. Cam the manra.
Man the camera.
Alright.
Just keep it. You can point it back at us too.
Okay.
Alright.
Nice FRS.
First pull out. Let's see what this sounds like. I don't know. It's not as good when you're actually going. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, that didn't sound bad. It just kind of sounds like.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of, it sounds like it has a CVT.
Yeah, which it does.
Yeah.
Is there? Oh, there are paddle shifters, aren't there?
Oh.
Okay. Well, we'll try to use the fake paddle shifters. Let's do a third gear pull. Third gear. Honestly, that's not bad. That's really not.
It's really not. You know, like I would be underwhelmed if it was something else, but for a Crosstrek, I mean, that is pretty good.
Yeah. When you let it, being able to put it in manual mode and let it hang in a
Yeah.
gear is a little bit better. So if I pop it in third here.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Snow dust.
It's not the right kind of snowdrift going on here.
I'm trying to think of a place that we could actually like take this thing kind of
Like right there.
I couldn't see if there was a Jersey barrier, but I think we're clear. Oh my God, we're doing super things.
Hold on. God.
That's actually fun.
Yeah.
What do you think? Should I go out there?
Yeah.
Okay. See ya. Crap,
This thing's an animal. There's no resistance here.
Nope.
It's just going.
Up and
so
over.
I think we have found.
Oh.
What?
Start stop. Auto start stop.
Oh, that's so weird.
So you can cold start all the time.
Why?
I didn't like that.
Yeah, that was not enjoyable.
How does that sound? Oh yeah. Honestly, I'd say that sounds pretty good. From the outside, for just doing a quick axle back, that sounds pretty good. And for it just being an NA.5, I'm pretty impressed with how open and throaty this sounds. I'm gonna run back to him because it's freaking cold out here, but it's time to get back to the shop. We appreciate everyone watching. Make sure to like, subscribe. Yeah, that wraps up episode 5 of the Subivlog. Amazing.